If you're thinking about running Reddit ads, then you need to keep watching this video because I'm about to go over the results that I got after spending $150. Now I know $150 is not $150,000, but this is just the beginning of the money that I'm going to be spending on Reddit because I see a lot of potential with Reddit. I'm an avid Reddit user. I love the platform. I'm constantly lurking and looking at everybody's content. So this is the first time that I'm actually running ads and putting content on the platform, and I got such great response with my ads that I actually have my full-time social media manager managing my Reddit account on an organic basis. So she is now posting Reddit videos and comments and questions and all that kind of stuff to get my karma up so that I can start really stepping up my game on Reddit. So keep watching this video, hit the thumbs up button if you get value from this video. Consider subscribing, clicking that subscribe button and the bell icon right next to it if you're new to the channel. Leave a comment below if you have any questions at all. If you're not yet following me on Instagram, go search me, go find me by searching the number 1 and then Ian Smith. That's my name. And then I'm about to cover a lot of information on Reddit. So to speed through a lot of the stuff that you don't care about too much, just adjust the playback speed in the bottom right corner of this video. Go to
2x speeds, and then when you see something that's intriguing,
slow down the speed.
It's a pretty easy way, if you didn't know about the playback speed, to kind of speed through a lot of this stuff. So before I jump into the platform and really show you what results I got, what targeting I was doing, what my main goal was, I wanted to first tell you that I run a digital marketing agency. So if you're wanting some Reddit ad help, or you're wanting Facebook ads, Instagram ads, Google or YouTube ads ran for your business, then I would love to help you out. We can jump on a free strategy call. Normally I charge about $250 for an hour-long strategy call, but if you want to book a call, I'll give it to you for free. Just head over to evolvemedia.agency. In the nav bar, you'll see a Done For You Services tab. Click on that tab, look at that page, click the little book a call. We can jump on a call and I can talk about your business and I can recommend some strategies. We can talk about the services that we offer, and then we can, go from there. If you want to take those strategies and hire somebody else, or if you want to go with your internal team, or you actually want to work with me, then we can discuss that. So now let's go ahead and jump into the Reddit results. All right, so we are here in the Reddit ads platform. It is July 22nd, 2019. So this is what the platform looks like right now. And again, I have only spent $150, but I wanted to just quickly make this video to show you what kind of results I'm seeing from the small $150 investment. So what I did here with these campaigns is the traffic campaign. All right, so I'll just jump into the edit campaign, but first I wanted to keep the ad spend pretty low and just kind of let it ride for a period of time to really get data and see how it works. So I want to say that I've been running ads for about a month now, maybe 2 to 3 weeks. I'm not really sure. It doesn't really give you much information on your ads. Like, it doesn't tell you the date that you launched it and stuff like that. But what I did was I have these multiple campaigns. In each campaign, it's a traffic campaign, 1 ad set, and then 5 different video ads in each on the actual ad level in each ad set in each campaign, right? So the budget, I kind of played with the budget. It kind of went up and down, but it ranged anywhere from $5 to $15 per day as I kind of scaled it up and down. My overall goal was really just to drive traffic to my YouTube channel. So I was running a video ad. It was basically an image ad, but it was a video thumbnail. And when they clicked on that, then it linked over to that respective YouTube video. So again, I wasn't doing any kind of conversion tracking. I wasn't driving into any kind of elaborate funnel. It was just super basic, driving traffic from Reddit into my YouTube channel. And the reason why I just wanted to do something super basic like this is because me personally, I watch a lot of YouTube videos on the Reddit platform. So I figured, hey, I bet a lot of guys on Reddit would probably be open to watching my videos because they're already watching a bunch of other YouTube videos on the platform. So let me just run some YouTube ads, and basically ads that were linking over to my YouTube channel. So that was the overall goal. It wasn't super elaborate, but here we can look at the actual data right here. So as you can see, on this campaign, we got 30,000 impressions, got about 30,000 there. So pretty much 30,000 impressions across the board. For those 30,000 impressions, got 75 clicks, spent on this campaign about $40. This is what I'm really excited about, is the actual CPM. So we only spent $1.25 to reach 1,000 people. And that's pretty good. If you know CPM rates, Facebook, depending on the campaign objective, you're looking at spending anywhere from $10 to $50 on average for your CPM. So to get it at around $1 cost of $1 to reach 1,000 people. And these are pretty ideal people for me. Like, my main audience are dudes, and they are interested in business, advertising, marketing, e-commerce, stuff like that. So when I jump into the ad groups level, I'm going to show you what kind of subreddits I was targeting to reach those people interested in business, e-commerce, marketing, all that kind of stuff. But I'm already excited about this CPM. Pretty awesome, right? So click-through rate. Now, obviously, this could be a lot better. Now, I don't know if it is the platform, if it's the campaign objective I went with, if it was the creative I went with, but click-through rate was, 0.25%, so not too great there. Cost per click, 50 cents cost per click. Now, you can actually put in your goal cost per click with Reddit, and Reddit will actually stick to that pretty legitimately, right? So if you try to do that with Facebook or you try to do that with Google, they don't really stick to your budgeted or your goal cost per click that you want to pay. But Reddit actually did, so bravo to them. And the reason why it's actually 52 cents was because I started the campaign at 50 cents, increased it to 60 cents cost per click, let that roll for a little bit to see if that changed anything. And then I just went back to 50 cents to see, how it changed. Didn't really change much, but what I'm seeing here is that Reddit is a cheap traffic source. It's pretty legit. If you're after the males that are like business, or I don't know, depending. I mean, right now that's what I'm after, right? So I'm seeing it as a pretty legit traffic source, and I've actually already got 2 leads from the Reddit ads. Again, I've only spent $150. My return on investment is probably, once these leads close, which they're very, very close to closing, we're probably looking at about a 10x return on investment for the Reddit ads. So let's go ahead and jump into the ad groups level, and then I can show you what I'm actually targeting. So I'll show you here on this ad group. We'll go to edit ad group. Now, for a while, I was targeting 3 different countries. I was targeting Canada, UK, and the United States. I ended up just dropping off UK and Canada and just going with the United States to see what happened. I didn't mess with these interests audiences at all, mostly because they just didn't really apply. Like, they were just super generic and vague and not really targeted. So if I went under business and finance, it's like business. Personal finance, I'm not after that. Career planning, not after that. I'm trying to reach people that are looking to run Facebook ads or messenger bots, or how do I build a business online. That's the kind of people I'm trying to reach. So this is not too specific to that. So I scrapped the whole interest stuff, didn't even mess with that, and I went purely after the communities. Now, what we did here, me and my team worked on this together, and we researched a lot of the different communities that applied to the industry and the area that my content is relating to. So then we made this big old list, right? And then I plugged that list into this communities area right here, and they didn't all work. You can't target all of the communities on Reddit. You actually, it's like only a couple communities right now are working. So I chose the ones that did work, I put them in here, and then for all others that I wasn't able to target, I just checked this little box right here saying allow Reddit to expand your targeting to maximize the results. So I talked to the actual Reddit rep. He booked a call with me, we talked it up, and he did tell me that checking this box allows you to reach those subreddits that don't show up when you type them here in this actual communities area. So I would recommend that. And if you're running Reddit ads, I'd strongly recommend doing this type of targeting. Now, again, I haven't done the interest-based targeting. The Reddit representative guy was really trying to get me to do some generic-based targeting, but I'm like, bro, it's my money, I'll do what I want. All right, like, dude was real pushy with what he wanted me to run with my ads and stuff. So it was funny. But I'd recommend sticking to the communities that go all in on those. I love how Reddit platform is very basic. Like, I'm so used to Facebook and Google, and they're just like crazy elaborate and complex and stuff, but Reddit is super basic. Like, this is all that there is in the ad set level. So you select your daily budget, $5 a day. Bid was 50 cents. I'm not 100% sure on this as to why it says you'll spend $6 per day on this campaign. I don't know where they're getting that extra dollar, but it is what it is. So if you want to spend $10, then you probably want to make your daily budget $9, because then it will, say you'll spend X amount. So that was my targeting. As you can see, small business, freelance, e-commerce, digital nomad, sales, advertising. Now, again, the people that are in this in those subreddits, they did see my ads. I actually saw my own ads, and I got calls from it. I got clients from it. So it worked pretty well for me so far. So that's the actual targeting level. Now let's jump over to the ads level. Now, like I mentioned, I was running 5 different video ads, and they weren't Reddit video ads. They were Reddit image ads, but they linked over to the video. So sorry to confuse you, but 5 different image, video ads in each campaign. So that's a total of 5 times 4 is 20. So 20 total ads. Now, one thing that is kind of frustrating is their little thing here. It only lets you see ads 1 through 10. I really wish that I could see more than 10 ads at a time. That's a little bit frustrating, but you can at least sort. So I can sort through click-through rate, and I can see the highest, the ad that got the highest click-through rate, 0.3%, was this one, this video that I have going over a case study of how I took a client from making $11,000 on average per month to making $98,000 per month. So obviously the numbers, the money always intrigues people and it gets the clicks. I would be interested to see what percentage of that video people watched. I can't really see that though. You can't really do that kind of in-depth tracking because I was just linking them over to a YouTube video. So it wasn't anything, super crazy to write home about, but really I just wanted to test the platform and really just kind of get my feet wet and starting to learn it, kind of seeing what my costs were, what my click-through rate was, if I was going to get any kind of leads from it, because usually my funnel is people find me on YouTube, they then go to my website, evolvemedia.agency, they look through our messenger bot templates and our done for you services, they book a call with me, I talk with them, we talk about a strategy, I send them a proposal, and they turn into a client. So that's usually the customer journey. So really with Reddit ads, my goal was to just kind of feed the fire a little bit, feed more organic discovery. I know that Reddit has a bunch of dudes, that's my audience. And I know that we got a lot of business owners or people in the e-commerce space browsing and spending time on Reddit. So I figured, let's run some ads. Let's see if we can get in front of these people. And, I'll over time running, showing up in those Reddit subreddits over and over. That's how I'm going to get more and more familiarity, trust, credibility to get those people to subscribe to the YouTube channel, opt in for a call, jump into my messenger bot, jump into my free course, which I do have a free course. It's pretty much, shown in every single one of my videos. So if you are looking to learn how to run Facebook ads, build messenger bots, build out ClickFunnels, sales funnels, write sales copy, then feel free to get access to my free course by going to freebosslifestyle.com. It's going to tell you all about the course. I got a video on there giving you a course tour and everything, and got a ton of free information in that course. And then I also have 2 templates. I got a messenger bot template, and I have a couple of ClickFunnels, sales funnel and lead gen funnel templates in there. So it's a ton of free value in the course. So if you're looking to learn this stuff, definitely go over to freebosslifestyle.com. So a lot of people probably opted into that. I got, let's see, it's saying about 300 clicks. So a lot of the data I'm going to have to just infer and just guess. I'm not actually able to see the exact data, but on my $150 spend, these are the results. Reached 126,000 people, 150 bucks, 126,000 people. That's a pretty good deal if you ask me. So I'm going to continue spending money with Reddit, but what I'm going to do now after I just kind of flushed out a couple bucks is I'm going to go back to my drawing board. I'm going to actually put together a orchestrated funnel, and I'm going to actually be driving constructive traffic from Reddit into a funnel to really optimize and really maximize my ad spend dollar. If I can drive videos designed to be ads and then run those as Reddit video ads, because that's another thing I want to test is having an actual video on Reddit and then having that drive over to a landing page and actually using, so Reddit does actually have a pixel. You can actually create a tracking pixel and put that pixel on your landing page. So I'll show you right here, conversion pixel optional, right? So I think that only works with the conversions campaign. So that is something I do want to test around with once I start to actually drive traffic into a legit funnel. But for the purposes of this video, just wanted to show you guys, what I'm looking at as far as cost. So $1.20 CPM, dude, where are you going to find that kind of cost per reach? And I know that the audience, the traffic on Reddit is legit. So my other concern was, is it legit? Like, are there robots? Are there, click farms and fake traffic on Reddit that are seeing these ads, racking up the impressions and maybe also clicking if they're robots and stuff? I know that stuff exists. I don't know if it existed in this exact example, but hope this video was helpful for you. Again, to get access to the free course, go to freebosslifestyle.com. If you want to book a call with me, head over to evolvemedia.agency, hit the Done For You Services tab. Let's jump on a call. Let's talk about how we can work together and grow your business. And then if this video was helpful, hit that like button, leave a comment below, and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.